Welcome to the channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you. Top 5 major causes of wax buildup in the ears. Earwax has antimicrobial properties that help to prevent infections in the ear canal. It is a mixture of secretions from these glands, dead skin cells, and hair. Earwax serves a protective function by trapping dust, dirt, and other foreign particles that could potentially harm the ear canal. MediCare. Now we will discuss top 5 major causes of wax buildup in the ears in this video. Number 1 is excessive earwax production. Earwax, also known as cerumen, is a natural substance that helps protect the ear canal from infections, water, and other foreign particles. However, some people produce more earwax than others, leading to a buildup over time. Number 2 is inadequate cleaning. Poor ear hygiene can lead to a buildup of earwax. If you don't clean your ears regularly, the wax can accumulate and harden, making it difficult to remove. Number 3 is use of earplugs or hearing aids. Wearing earplugs or hearing aids for prolonged periods can prevent earwax from naturally leaving the ear canal. This can cause a blockage and lead to a buildup of wax. Number 4 is narrow or twisted ear canals. Some people have narrow or twisted ear canals, which can make it difficult for earwax to move out of the ear naturally. This can cause a buildup of wax over time. Number 5 is genetics. The amount of earwax produced can be inherited. Some people naturally produce more earwax than others, which can lead to a buildup over time if not managed properly. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are several major causes of wax buildup in the ears. As we discussed, the excessive earwax production, inadequate cleaning, use of earplugs or hearing aids, narrow or twisted ear canals, and genetics can all contribute to a buildup of wax in the ear canal. It's important to maintain good ear hygiene by cleaning the ears regularly and avoiding excessive use of earplugs or hearing aids. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon. Thank you.